My name is Dave Goka, along with my wife Jan and son Grant. We are the owners of the Groutsmith, serving San Diego and Temecula Valley. The Groutsmith is a tile and grout cleaning, repair, and restoration company specializing in ceramic and porcelain tile and all natural stone. Our philosophy is to deliver the best service possible and provide complete satisfaction to our customers, which we believe sets ourselves apart from our competition.
What makes us unique is we not only specialize in the cleaning and repair of tile and grout, but we also add color restoration sealers, which will help restore your grout lines and make them uniform. We restore floors, showers, countertops, and natural stone to a like new condition. We offer free estimates and also do a small in-home demonstration so you can see firsthand what the end result will be. Our motto is, don't replace it, restore it.
I chose the Groutsmith because they are really well known in our community, and I went online and saw the great reviews that they had. They're very respectful to me and my home, and I appreciate that. The staff is wonderful. The results are definitely beyond my expectations. It looked brand new, and I would recommend them to anybody.
When I list a home, I want to make sure it's in pristine condition, so I call the Groutsmith. I trust them, and I know they do quality work. I truly feel they are the best tile and grout company around. I call them every time, and you should too.
We want to make sure our customers are 100% satisfied with our work, and it's very rewarding to see the smile on our customers' faces when our work is completed.